What's it feel like, Brian?
I never heard one make that clunking noise, but it's bad.
All right.
Yeah.
Big finger in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's tight as shit in it.
And
Oh yeah.
just keep turning it, and it even gets tighter sometimes.
I thought that last night when we stopped it, I thought it could have been a wheel bearing, but usually you can, if they're that bad, you can get a wiggle. Man, you touch it down there and that hub would be off, you know?